everyone, and welcome back to my beauty channel. My name is Josephine and I do all kind of beauty videos, but mostly makeup videos and unboxing videos. So if you're not already subscribing to my channel, I would really recommend you to do that. Like, comment, and hit the bell, turn on notifications so you don't miss my future videos. But today I'm actually going to do a hair tutorial, or I'm going to show you how I do a high ponytail, and I'm going to do that with fake hair from Shein. I was so surprised when I received the fake hair because it's so soft. Whatever, we're going to talk about that in the video, but yeah, that's the plan. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. I haven't really done my makeup like I usually do. This is the fake hair, and as I said, I bought it on Shein, and you have this clip, so you just clip it on the hair or your bun, and the clip I received with the hair actually broke, so I just bought another clip. Yeah, use that instead. It's a bit of a ombre situation, and it's not really my shade, but since it is ombre and it goes from darker to lighter, I make it work somehow. This is so soft. Now I have a ton of hairspray in it, so it's not as soft as it were when I received it. But I can say that I was so surprised, and this is so long. I'm going to put the price here somewhere. Oh my god, girl, it's cheap, okay? This is another fake hair situation I bought on Shein as well. As you see, this is too warm for my hair color. I have more of a cold, and this is like a chocolatey or something. But if this is a match for you, it will look amazing. That's so long as well. This one doesn't have a hair clip. It's just like this situation. So I guess you just apply it on the bun and then tighten it. But as I said, I'm not going to use that one. We're going to use this. So I'm going to show you how I do it and what products I use. First of all, a hairbrush. This is a Acapacca something made in Italy, 824. It's a large round brush, any hairbrush, okay. I use this one, and today I'm going to use this hairspray. I actually don't like this one. I usually use the Shein. Going to show it somewhere here. Hairspray, but I just ran out of it, so I need some kind of hairspray, so we're just going to, well, we have to work with this, okay? And a lot of these bobby pins, and I have some powder in my hair. It looks so gray, ridiculous. And of course we need what is this? Of course we need one of these as well. I'm so dry, so sometimes my hair can look a bit disgusting. Also, I recently found out that my hair is turning gray. I'm 25 years old, so that's fun. We want a high ponytail, but we don't want it ridiculously high. Usually I have a monitor. Well, I use my Mac as a monitor. I have a program for the Sony camera, so you can connect it and, well, use it as a monitor. And I don't know why they have some issues with the program, so you can't use it on your Mac, and it's been like that for weeks. I don't know what the they're doing. And I also have a problem to connect my phone to my camera. When I feel like my hair is pretty much sleek, I do a little bun So I just take that. And sometimes you'll have to redo it a couple of times until you're satisfied. So I take it like that, and then I'm just tightening it, and like that. Now we need the pins. So I just start to hide this little hair, and I need new pins. I feel like you can use them once and you can just throw them away because they don't stay in place. I have some baby hair in my neck, so I just take my hand and spray, press with my hand. I don't really care so much about the back because the ponytail will hide a lot of it. I brush through the fake hair. I have this side like that. The hair is on. Now we want this to look, well, strict, perfect. I'm going to take a part of the hair, wrap it around, and then secure it under here with more pins. That's light. It's the end of the hair. But do we care? No, we don't. I can't find my nail brush, so I'm going to take a toothbrush. And now I see more body pins. Ah, I look like shit. I'm going to spray some hairspray on this, or a lot, and then start to brush the hair. And each stroke I take my hand after because I don't want this to, get stuck. Now when I lift it, it's going to take the hair with it, so I'm securing the hair with my hand. And you see this suck, so I will have to take a lot of this terrible hairspray. It's not even getting hairspray. Yeah, so I just work through all of the hair. Sometimes I just do like that with my hand, just the worst. And then I go in more in detail with the toothbrush. And I just did a hair mask yesterday, a really good one. So my hair is so soft, it's hard to make it stay. Is this even a hairspray? Flexible hairspray. Long lasting, natural hold. This isn't going to hold half an hour. With my regular hairspray, I could work out like this and it wouldn't move. But I feel like it's going to be very difficult with this hairspray. It's seriously the worst I ever used. Sorry. But now, if you want, you can take the toothbrush and hairspray and brush your baby hairs like you want them. Some people do these, swirls and all kinds of stuff. Now, take some kind of brown eyeshadow or something like this. It's Hide Me Root Concealer from Batiste for medium brown hair. So it will you know, hide these blank spots like I have here. It looked like I'm going bald or something, but I always had that thing. I'm just taking a fluffy eyeshadow brush, some of that, and start to blend that in. And if I want it to be more intense, I take a more dense brush. Like here, I want it to be a bit darker. And that looks so natural. I don't overdo it. I'm just fixing the worst. And that's the look. I love this. I've done this hairstyle a lot lately, and this hair is ridiculously affordable. So it's like, yeah, let's just try it. And then I fell in love with it. So yeah, I always hated to put my hair in a ponytail, but when I have this Ariana Grande look or length, I don't want to wash this because it's not real hair. And my god, I sound sick. I'm not, okay? I have issue with my nose. I'm waiting for a surgery, so don't mind it, but sometimes it sounds bad. Yeah, I don't want to destroy this hair, and I don't know if it you know, if you can wash it because it's not real hair, and if you wash it maybe it will get curly or wavy. I don't want that because I can't use a flat iron on fake hair because it will melt. So I think I'm going to buy one more of these at least, and when I do, I'm going to try to wash this one. Oh, I have makeup here now. Oh, let's hide that. Stop it, please. Oh, that looks weird. Okay, fine. And this blouse also from Shein. So yeah, I'm in love with them. It's just how it is. I just look like a superstar, right? A singer or idol. Here I come. No, a bit more Ariana Grande. But I can't sing an Ariana Grande song. Can I? Ooh, 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 ooh. No, I can't sing right now because my nose, I can't breathe. So stop it. I won't, okay? Yeah, I'm so hungry. It's late. I slept like 2 hours. So I think I'm just going to go upstairs, chill and eat and watch TV, and probably just going to fall asleep on the couch, but I'm fine with it, you know? I'm so tired. Ariana Grande, checking out.